Hello everyone, this design is called onion design, and I'm going to show you how to make this design, how to get it to come out this way, and you will love it. In making this design, you will need 0.35 of fishing line 0.35. You will need your beading needle size 9. This is it, size 9. And you will need size 8 crystal bead. I'm using gold for this design. Then you need size 2 of seed bead. So this is all we need for this design, and you need a cutter to cut your fishing line out. So today, to start, I have my fishing line 0.35 with my beading needle size 9. The first thing you do in this design is pick one crystal bead. This is it. Drop it down, hold it. Hold this crystal bead this way. Then pick 7 seed beads. I'm going to pick 7 size 2 beads. This is 7. Look at it. This is it. 7 size 2 seed bead. Then pass it through the size 8 under. Look at where I'm going, this way. I'm not coming forward, I'm going through underneath it. Then bring out your needle. Then you have this. It will form this shape for you. Remember, I'm still holding the rope, the tail. I'm still holding it firm. Then you hold it that way. You pick another 7. Seed bead. Continue the same step, going underneath it. Then I have the 2 here. I'm still holding it. Pick another one. 7 seed bead. Then I still go underneath. I'll continue this step. I'll do this step 7 times to wrap the body of that size 8, the size 8 gold I'm using. I have it this way. This is the 3 I just fixed now. Then I take another one, 7. This is it. Another 7. Remember, I told you I will do this for 7 times for 1 bead. Here, look at what is forming. This is it. I have 5 of it here. I have 5. Then I go around again, pick another 7. Pick another 7 seed bead, then go underneath it again. This is the 7th time I'm doing this. This is the last one. I hope you can see this. So this is the full one. I've covered this. This is what you see. So the next step, I take one size 8 bead, then I drop it down to this. You have this, something like this. Then I take the second one. So I have 2 of it like this, 2 size 8 bead. So I'll leave the first one I dropped, then I'll work on this one, the second one. This one I'm touching, if you can see it very well. I'll continue the same step. Exactly what I did in the first part is what I'll still do here. Pick size, pick 7 seed beads. I'll pick 7 seed beads. Look at what I'm doing here. If you can see it very well, I'm leaving the first one, the first chalk bead here, this first crystal here. Then I'm going through the second one I picked. You see it? So it will form this. I hope you can see this. This is it, what you get. Then I'll continue the same pattern. I'll pick another 7 seed bead, then pass it through that same one. So I have 2 here. I'm still holding it. You see? Seven seed beads again, and I pass it through that same one. Just continue the same process, the same thing. Why I love this design is that it's very simple to make, and when you finish doing it, you love it. Between last month and now, I've made 6 designs, the same design 6 times, because it's very simple and clean, neat. People love it. It goes with any outfit. This, the same thing. Remember what I told you, I'm just going around that one, the second one I picked. This is what you will get. So I'll still continue the same pattern for 7 times. The same pattern 7 times. Okay, let's pick the last one, the last 7 to cover the body. This is it. Remember what I said earlier, that this is the same pattern. So here we'll have this. This is it. Just follow this, continue the same way. I'll do the third one to show you so that you'll see it very well. This is it. Remember, I've dropped the first one, the gold. This is it, if you can see. Then the second one is this. I'm dropping now, so I have 2. I hope you can see it very well. This is it. So now I'm going to work on this one, leaving the other one behind. I'm picking another 7. Yes, I'm picking another 7 seed beads. 7. The same pattern. Once you remember the step, you will not find it difficult to do this design. It's very simple to make this. You can combine your colors when you're doing it. If you work with green and yellow, it's very colorful. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm putting 7 seed beads. Still the same pattern. Nothing has changed. The same pattern. This is the third one I'm going, right? Look at it, you're seeing it. Another seed bead. I'm picking 7. I'm still doing the same thing I did in the previous ones. Go through here, pick my seed bead, and this is it. Hope you can see what I'm doing. 7. Now passing it through. This is it. This is it. I hope you can see very well. This is it. So I'm going, this is the last one I'm picking now. Ta-da! This is it. This is the pattern. There's no other way to do this. This is very simple, very unique, and when you do it, you always love it. If you have any question, comment, concern, just let me know in the comment box. And when you go through my channel, you'll see a slideshow I did with some of my designs. You can watch it. If you have any design you're having concern with or you want to learn, let me know. I will not hesitate to do the tutorial for you, and I will upload it. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow us on our Instagram handle, CCV Craft, also on Facebook. You can do it to any length you want. This is the one you saw earlier. This is it. Golden coral seed bead. Look at the way my finishing. Love it. This is 3 strands. You see? Do it and let me see your video and see if you did well. Any concern, don't forget to let me know. Bye bye for now till I hear from you. Bye.